Alrighty, so this is today's math lesson. Before we get started, let's go ahead and let's go over tens, and then let's go over ones. Who can tell me what a tens looks like? Who can tell me what a tens looks like? Draw it in the air with your finger. Or draw it on your board and show me. What's it look like? What's a tens and ones look like? I'm seeing some good ideas. Right. Okay, so tens can look like a stick. It can look like a rectangle. And then if I showed you what a tens looks like, a tens is 10 ones cubes stacked on top of each other. So, one. Woo. Back to make it bigger. 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I had to add some. So it's 10 ones cubes stacked on top of each other. And the value of this is 10. The value. Okay, when we're talking about the value is 10. Go ahead and draw me or show me what a ones would look like. What does a ones look like? Draw me or show me what a ones looks like. I'm seeing some good ideas. Yep. Oh, love it. I see some friends writing it down. So sometimes I make a ones like a little circle or a little filled in dot, right? Or it looks like a square, right? Because if I showed you a ones, it looks like that. It's the little cube. So it's actually a cube. So if I drew a cube, this is it 3D. Okay? It's a little cube, or it's a square, and it is represented by 1. So when you're counting ones, you're counting by 1. When you're counting tens, you're counting by 10, right? All right, good. I would like you to draw on your board how many tens and ones there are for that number right there. I want you to show me how many tens and ones there are for this number right here. Now, you're going to draw out the tens and ones. Don't forget, you can always put your number in a tens and ones chart to help you. Okay, that could help you. That could give you some perspective, some understanding of how many tens am I going to draw and how many ones am I going to draw. Okay? How many tens am I going to draw, and how many ones am I going to draw? All right, show me in 3, 2, 1. Show me your work. Yep. Careful. Watch your ones. I see some friends drawing ones that look like tens. Watch your ones. Yep. Good job. That's right. Now, who could help me out? Who could tell me how many 10s I'm going to draw? Riley.
5.
5, that's right. Okay, because if I counted the value of these 10s, I have 5 here, right? The value, though, is 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. I counted by 10s. Good job, Riley. Who could tell me how many 1s I'm going to draw? Egypt. How many 1s? Unmute yourself, girly.
7.
7. That's right. I'm so glad you're on here too. 1, 2,
Hi, Egypt.
3, 4, 5, 6.
Remember me?
7. Alrighty, that's right. And if I counted these, I'd count by 1s, and they're worth 7. So I have 57. 50 plus 7 is 57. All right, great job. All right, what we're going to get into is something similar to that. Now, I have a question.
Sorry.
If I had these two things together, do they equal the same thing? Are they both equal? If you think they're equal, put your hands on your head and nod your head yes. If you don't, I want you to put your hands up and nod your head no. Tell me, do you think they're equal, yes, or they're not equal, no? I'm seeing lots of yeses. That's right. Okay, this is worth 10. The value of this tens frame is worth 10. The value of this tens is worth 10. So they're both worth 10. Okay? They are both worth 10. This tens frame and this 10. So my 10 frames aren't pretty, but it's okay. They get the job done. I want you to tell me the total number, kind of like you did, I think it was Thursday. I want you to tell me the total number of all of these tens frames. Then we're going to go over, and I don't want to be in your way, how many tens and ones, okay? So you don't have to draw this on your paper. You can if you want to. You don't have to draw it. I'm just asking you to do this part in green right here for right now. I just want you to tell me the total number. That is all.
You look cute, Egypt.
Say that again.
Thank you.
Say
You
that
look
again.
cute. I said you look cute to Egypt.
Oh, that was very nice. Okay, show me your total number in 3, 2, 1. Show me your number.
I didn't even do it yet.
Okay. Well, we need to count it. Okay. Thank you, Noah. Thank you, Darren. Thank you, Egypt. Thank you, Acacia. Sorry. Thank you, Cameron. Thank you, Brock. Okay, I'm looking for some other friends. What's the total number? Looking at this, what is the total number that they counted in their tens frames? What's the total number? Mr. Brock?
I don't charge my tablet so it won't die.
Mr. Brock?
31.
31 is the total number. Because how many tens are there? How many? I don't want to know the value of the tens. I want to know how many tens there are. That's right, George. That's right. I saw you. There's 3 tens. That's right. There's 3 tens. Not the value of the tens. The value of the tens would be 30, right? I want how many there are. So you're literally just counting 1, 2, 3 total tens frames filled out completely. Then we talk like this. We say this is our leftover, right? You know when you bake food and you have extra food and you have leftovers? This is your leftover, okay? So your leftover is your ones. That's right. And how many are there? That's right. I'm seeing some fingers go up. That's right. It is 1 ones. So we have 3 tens and 1 one. So our number is 31. If we counted 10, 20, 30, 31. Good job. Alrighty. I want everyone to kiss their brains 2 times. Mwah, mwah. That was really, this is tricky stuff. Alrighty. Let's do another one. Ooh, that 10 frames be struggling. Well, if that one was struggling too, Mrs. Cooper. Okay. Let me get my dots. Well, I guess I could just do that interactive tool. I could do that next. Please stop. Thank you. Okay. I would like you to tell me the total number of those tens frames. Tell me the total number of those tens frames. I know they're a little bit wonka-donka. Actually, here. Hold on. I've changed my mind. Oh, I have a marker out. Where's my marker? There it is. Hold on. I'm changing my mind. Teachers do this sometimes. Really? Come on. Math. Monday, week 15. Monday, math. Aha! Please, take me there. Ha, ha, ha. Sorry. Getting excited. So much easier. Now tell me the total number. So now you're telling me the total. When you got it, show it to me.
Mama? Is this how you ride the sticks?
Okay, careful. Look at how many 10s you have
Six.
and how many 1s you have. Okay, what is my total number? Who could tell me? Darren, can you tell me?
It's 58.
It is 58. You're right. I see a lot of friends who had 68. You're counting an extra 10. So I suggest you draw a 10s and 1s chart, because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only. And then Darren was right. You have 8 leftovers, so the number should be 58. So if you told me how many 10s you had, it's not the value of the 10s. It's how many there are. You'd have 5. And then for 1s, you'd have 8. Okay, let's do another one. I knew the ones with bigger numbers would.
Miss Cooper,
Yes, ma'am.
when is this lesson over?
When I say it's over? Should be done before 9.
Okay.
Yeah. We got some time left. Okay, tell me this total number. Don't forget, if you need to, count how many total 10s frames there are. And then put that number here, total 10s here, and the leftovers here. That should help you with the total. Okay. Cam, I'm seeing your brow furrow. You okay, dude? Yeah? Okay. So I counted the total 10s for you. So we have 1 full 10s, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 total 10s. And then we have so many leftovers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So who could raise their hand and tell me my total number? Cameron, what's my total number, dude?
85.
85, that's right. My total is 85. Okay, my total is 85. That doesn't really look like 85, so let me fix it. Ooh, okay, there it is. That wasn't going to let me erase. 85, and we have 8 10s, because we already counted them, and 5 1s. Okay? So just like your assignment last week, very similar, very, very similar. Okay, you have groups of 10s frames, okay? So this one says Brian used counters to show a 2-digit number on the tens frame, okay? What number did he show, and how many tens and how many ones? So remember, when we're looking at how many tens, we're talking about the number of tens. We're not talking about the value. We're talking about the number. Okay, so you would do that one. This one says Josie used counters to show a 2-digit number on the tens frame. What number did she show? You're telling me the total, and you're telling me how many tens and how many ones. And the last one, Aubrey used counters to show a 2-digit number. What number did Aubrey show? Tens, your leftovers, and you're telling me the total number. It's only 3 pages. Shouldn't take you too long. It's really good review, practice.
It's only like 3 minutes.
It'll take you real quick. It won't take you long at all. But that's all I have for our math lesson today.